My dear student, that today we will see the different type of registers. Actually, in general, we are using two type of registers. One is wire registers, which will be usually we are using a particular wire of made of alloy, because alloy has high value of resistivity. If you take less area of cross section, more length, then it will have more resistance. But these values are very small. But when we are taking the fabrication of the electronics instrument, usually we are required in a very small space more amount of resistance. For that, we are using carbon resistors. Carbon resistors, the resistance of that is not written there. Carbon resistor there looks like this. You can see this is a carbon resistor. Here you see in this carbon resistor, this is a cylindrical shape, and here the lines are there. These are the color bands. You can see there are three color bands. The first one you are seeing, that is your orange color. Then you are getting first in here we have orange color, first one. If you see, this is first one is orange. The second one is your green, and the third one, what is it here, that is your red. These are the three colors which is given here. So there are, if you see, so this type of resistors we are using in type of any type of fabrication of the computer or any type of chips. So this is a very small one. This is a very small one. The shape is small, but its value is very large. Now the question is how to determine the resistance. How to determine the resistance. So when you are seeing the carbon resistor, the resistance is not written there. So to know the resistance, to find the resistance, there will be these type of color band, and this is called the color code of the carbon resistors. These are carbon resistors. And for that you have to remember these things. In this, because you see, if you see this, the colors are starting from one end, because you see this is the far end. Color are start from this end. So you are seeing, you are telling this is the first color. This is the first color, because it is a start from this end. It is not start from this end, because this side is vacant. So you have to see from this end. So the color bands are there, and from these color bands you can able to find the resistance of the resistors. Color bands, the first color, in each type of resistors usually there are 3 or 4 colors. So you are taking, these are the 4 color bands. If these are the 4 color bands, then the first 2 color bands, the first two color bands, that will gives you the significant number, significant digits. This is the first 2 colors. Color band. The third one, third color band, third, that will give the multiplier. And the fourth gives the tolerance. Tolerance in the sense, due to the variation of the external temperature, resistance is changing, you know. In case of the conductor, resistance is increasing, resistivity is increasing, as a result of which resistance is increasing with temperature. So this is the tolerance, means this much variation is permissible. Now, if you take this, you have to remember this. This is the color is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey and white. So these are the 10 colors having the 10 digits. These are the digits. This is your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the multiplier is just the power of 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, like this. And the tolerance is for gold, if the fourth color is gold, then it is 5%. If it is silver, then it is 10%. If there is no color, only 3 colors is there, just like here, only 3 colors are there. So the tolerance is 20%. And to remember this, there will be prova which is written. That is your, it is written like this. That black, first is black, so it is B, first B Roy of Great Britain. Great Britain have very good wife. So here you see the B capital letter, you see B brown, that is B brown, so this is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, then your blue, violet, grey, white. So it is B Roy of Great Britain have very good wife. So this is your black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey and white. So this is the called, you can remember in any way. Now suppose a carbon resistor is there. Suppose it is written the carbon resistor have resistance of, suppose the resistance of the carbon resistor is 62 plus minus 5% kilo. It means it is 62. So I am writing 62 into 10 kilo. Kilo means 10 to the power 3 plus minus 5%. So this is the resistance. If this is the resistance, then this is 6 and 2. So these two are the significant figure. So as these are two significant figure, then this represent the first color, this represent the second color. So 6 is the 6 digit that will represent the first color. So it is 6, that is your blue. So the first color is blue. Then 2 correspond to red. So it is red. Then the multiply 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 is orange. Then 5%, so tolerance is 5%, so 5%, so it is gold. So you can do like this. So it is blue, red, orange and gold. Suppose it is written like this. Suppose it is given 1.3 plus minus 10%. This is mega. Suppose this is written. if there is a decimal, first you converted into the silver. You remove the decimal first. So it is 1.3 into 10 to the power 6 mega plus minus 10%. So if you remove this decimal, then it will become 13 into 10 to the power 5 plus minus 10%. Now this is removed. Without removing this, do not write, otherwise it is wrong. So it is 1, 3. So it is 1. 1 is the first color, so it is your brown. So it is brown. Then second is your 3, so it is your orange. The third is your 10 to the power 5, so it is green. And it is 10%, so the tolerance is your silver. So it is silver. So the color code is this. Suppose your color code is given and you are aim to write what is the value of it. Suppose color code is given. Suppose it is given that the color code is red, black, orange and silver. Silver. This is red, black, orange and silver. So first color is red. So for red the significant figure is 2. So I am writing 2. Black is 0. So write 0. Into orange multiplier. Third is multiplier. So it is 10 to the power 3. Then silver. So it is plus minus. Silver is 10%. So you can say this is 20 plus minus 10% kilo. This carbon register what I have shown you, this initially, this carbon registers. Here we have orange, green and red. 3 colors are there. So the orange, that is your 3, green, that is your 5, into third color is the multiplier, it is red, so it is 10 to the power 2. Now there is no fourth color. If there is no color in the fourth color band, then it is tolerance is 20%. 20%. So this much of. Or you can write it is, if you take it, this can be written as 3.5 plus minus 20% kilo. Because if you point 3.5, then it will become 10 to the power 3. So you can write like this. Suppose a question is given that a potential difference of 10 volt, a potential difference of 10 volt is applied across a carbon resistors and a current of 4 milliampere is flows through it. 4 milliampere flows through it. Then what is the color code of the carbon resistors? This is the question. So I am taking current I is given. This is your potential difference. So resistance according to Ohm's law, R equal to V by I. So it is 10 divided by 10 volt divided by 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. So this equal to 10 by 4 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. So 10 by 4 is 2.5 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. So I can write this is 2.5 into 10 to the power 2 ohm. Because you have to remove the decimal. So here 2 is your red, 5 is your green, 10 to the power 2 is red, again red, and there is no color because we are writing this tolerance, the variation is not given. So you can write only these three colors for the giving of the resistance, that will be red, green and red. So these are the three colors. So like this, when the engineers, electricians, they are using any type of carbon resistance, they are calculating its value by seeing the color code, and you can see a number of carbon resistor of different size, they are available in the markets. The cost is very less. One carbon resistor is not more than 2 or 5, maximum 5 rupees. So you can take it and you can see the different type of carbon resistors which are used and how in the circuit it can be fabricated and how you can determine the value of it. Thank you.